Hello, welcome to Busy Bee. In this video I will show you how I did this mini purse or wallet. It has two pockets and it closes with a pearl. So let's begin. First you're going to take your yarn. I used cotton yarn and a 5mm hook. For the beginning we are going to chain 50. When you have chained 50, we are going to do single crochets into each of these loops. So to make a single crochet, you are going to pull your hook through your loop, yarn over and again yarn over. And just repeat this step until you reach the end of the first row. When you have reached the end of the row, you are going to chain 1, turn your work, and then make single crochets into both of these loops until you reach the end of the second row, and you are going to repeat this step for another 15 rows, so we will have 16 rows total. When you have made these 16 rows, you are going to fold your piece like this, and mine is 11 times 11 centimeters, and we are going to add 11 more centimeters, but in this part. So we are going to make single crochets into each of these 17 loops. So we are going to add single crochets just to these 17 loops. So you are going to take your crochet hook, chain 1, and make 17 single crochets. When you have reached the end of these 17 single crochets, you are going to chain 1 and again make single crochets into each of these 2 loops, and you are going to repeat this step for 7 more rows, so you are going to have 8 in total. and then I will show you how to do the hole for the pearl. When you have made 8 rows, you are going to fold your piece to see where your pearl will be. So mine will be approximately here. So in the next row, I'm going to take my crochet hook and make single crochets until I reach the middle. Once you have reached the middle, you are going to chain 3. And make single crochets until you reach the end of the row. I'm sorry that you haven't seen that part, but you are just going to make 3 chains and make single crochet into the third loop. When you have finished this row, you are going to make 2 more. So you are going to add 1 chain and make single crochets into each of these loops, including those 3 chains that we did for the pearl. So just make 2 more rows of single crochet. When you are finished, you are going to chain 1 and cut the extra. So this is what it looks like. So chain 1 and cut the extra. Then we are going to fold our piece and take a piece of cotton thread, cut, take our crochet needle and sew this piece together. I'm going to make a knot on one side of the thread and just sew it. Once you are finished, you are going to make a few knots so that you secure the thread, and then you are just going to pull the extras through the piece so that they aren't visible, and cut the extra part. So now we are going to take a piece of thread, a needle, and our pearl, and we are just going to sew the pearl to this purse. and this is what it looks like in the end. So it closes like this, and it has 2 pockets. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!